What's up guys, TechShan here back with another awesome cool tech episode. Sit back and enjoy, let's jump straight to it. And as always, if you end up liking this video, make sure to smash the like button. That's all I request from you guys. Just takes a second. I hope you guys will do it. Alright. First on my list is an interesting mini soundbar. Meet the BS28. This is a rechargeable 20 watt super slim soundbar that you can use with your TV, computer, smartphone, whatever. For those looking for a space saving solution, this might be an interesting one to consider. The pack has the mini soundbar, then you have a 3.5mm cable, then a 3.5mm to RCA cable to connect to your TV, setup box, etc. Then a micro USB charging cable, and finally a manual. Well, you don't get a remote. That's because since it connects via 3.5mm, you can use your TV remote to control the volume. Closer look, the build is all plastic yet solid. Front, you have 4 5-watt speakers, total of 20 watts. Then center, an LED indicator. Top, controls, volume up and down, play pause, and a mode switch. It has Bluetooth and FM radio as well. Then the power button. To the back, you have a micro USB slot for charging the inbuilt 2000 mAh battery, which gets you around 2.5 hours of backup. Yep, you can either use it via direct current or recharge and use. Then a 3.5mm slot to connect to your TV or any other device. Then a micro SD card slot and a USB slot to connect your micro SD card or pen drive and play songs directly from it. Here are the dimensions to give you an idea. Now coming to the audio quality, it's awesome-matic. Well, I was totally surprised. Loud audio, crisp and clear vocals with decent amount of bass. I'm super impressed. Packs a punch with such a small form factor. This should be totally good for a medium-sized room. Though you can't hear what I hear, still here's a sample. You can also use it with your desktop or laptop or connect via Bluetooth and stream music from your smartphone. The cool thing is the rechargeable part and its size can be carried around easily. For around Rs 2500, a good one to own or consider as a gift. We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description after the complete lockdown is over. Check it out. Alright, next on my list is a feature pack smartband. This is the D58 smartband from a brand DT. They are into budget smartwatches and smartbands. I've been using this for a couple of weeks, and the interesting thing about this band is the features it offers for a super impressive pricing. Let's get into that. Before that, in the box, you have the smartband and a manual. That's about it. Alright, before we get into details, have you guys downloaded the all-new TechShan game? Well, here is a sneak peek of version 3 which I'll be launching coming week with 2 new levels, Beach Island and Outer Space. Also 2 new characters. Trust me, it's super fun and addictive. Best of all, comes with no ads and you can play the game offline. I'm sure you will love it. Existing players, make sure to update the app once it's out. Alright, here is a closer look at the band. Front, you have the 1.14-inch color display with a touch sensor below it. The body is made of plastic and the strap is silicone with carbon fiber texture. To the end, you get a watch-like connector which is good. Back, you have the heart rate sensor. Now you might wonder, where is the charging port? Well, just pop out one band and you have a USB slot that you can connect to any USB adapter or your laptop or desktop's USB slot or even your power bank to charge. It has a 120 mAh battery which can give you up to 6 days of backup and up to 20 days of standby. Before we talk about the features, let's download the H Plus app and pair the band via Bluetooth. Works on both iOS and Android. The app has most of the common features. Alright, first you have the watch face. You get total of 9 watch faces that you can set from the app. Then you have steps, calories burnt, then a health feature to track your heart rate, blood pressure, sleep monitoring. Next comes the major highlight, you have ECG feature. Yep, just place your hand on top of the touch button and it starts to read. This is something that you don't find in budget smartbands. then breathing exercise, then notifications that shows you alerts from your apps. You get text previews on the band as well. Call notifications, yep, but sadly you don't get to reject or mute a call from the watch. You're just alerted. Next, a dedicated sports mode to track your activities like running, playing, swimming, etc. Speaking of swimming, it is IP68 waterproof as well. Overall, for around Rs 1650, it's a good buy. It's a feature-packed entry-level smartband. Good one to own or gift. We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description after the complete lockdown is over. Check it out. Alrighty, next on my list is an awesome wireless charger. Here you go, the Touch Charge X from Portronics. A budget-friendly wireless charger for your smartphone. Wireless charging option usually comes in premium smartphones, and choosing a good wireless charger without spending much is tricky. Trust me, this is a good option from Portronics. An impressive one to consider. In the box you have the charging base, micro USB cable and a user guide. That's about it. Here you go, the build is all plastic. In the center you have a rubber grip which is the charging area. So when you place your phone on it, it doesn't slip. Top an LED indicator. Side micro USB slot to connect to power. Bottom again a rubber base for grip. The max output of this is 10 watts, which is pretty standard for most devices. It also comes with overheat and voltage protection. Just connect the micro USB cable and power up the base and you're ready. Place your QI wireless charging enabled device and bam, starts to charge. From QI supported smartphones to even your earpods. Just place it and it starts to charge. The LED indicator changes to blue when the device is charging. Overall, it's a thin, light in weight and super compact wireless charger that comes in handy.
I know.
Well, if I have to say, the size of the charger is exactly in the dimensions of a single puppet from a 200-gram popular brand puppet pack.
What?
Yup, crazy but true. Another exclusive Texan comparison. Overall, this costs around Rs 999 and is a good one to consider if you are looking for a wireless charger in the market and don't want to spend much. We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description after the complete lockdown is over. Check it out. Alrighty, next is a simple one on my list, but a handy one to help you stay fit. Check out this interesting skipping rope. Well, skipping has many health benefits. I don't have to tell you about it. This rope can motivate you in a simple way. The length of the rope is 260 centimeters and can be easily adjusted as per your need. The handles are plastic yet designed to be grippy and comfortable in the hand. However, the highlight is the number counter that you get in one of the handles, which counts the skip as you do them, motivating you to keep track. It works without any batteries, but on a simple rotate mechanism. Every time you skip, it adds a count. Nice! You can reset it and start again by pushing this small button. Cool, right? For around Rs 250, a good one to own or give someone. Wanted to feature it as I think it might be helpful to many. We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description after the complete lockdown is over. Check it out. Alrighty, next is again a simple product but something that will surprise you. Usually charging cables are white or black in color and they are boring. Not anymore. Here you go. Meet the LED flow charging cable. A cable that has running LEDs in it and they look super cool. Build is strong, 1 meter in length and the cable is encapsulated. What I have here is the micro USB model. You also get Type-C and a lightning cable. Choose as per what your smartphone supports. All you need to do is just connect your smartphone, tablet or whatever and bam! How cool is that? The entire cable lights up. In person, this looks even cooler. My camera is not doing justice here. The lights give you a feel as if the current is flowing into your smartphone. It's super cool to watch, isn't it? Definitely spices things up. For around Rs 499, a cool one to own or even gift. We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description after the complete lockdown is over. Check it out. Alright, before we end this video, I know you guys will be waiting for the special product. Well, this time I have something different. Check out the crystal rotating base. This is something many of you guys were requesting me after having seen it in a couple of my videos. Well, this is a display stand that you can use to display small items. Let me show you. In the box you have the base and an adapter. Basically, this can be used with a small glass or crystal decor item to mainly showcase them. But you can also use it to display small normal items, handy at shops and can be used at home as well. Top, you have the rotating base with RGB LED lights in the middle. Then a switch to one side. And here, a slot to connect the adapter. Connect, place the item you want and it starts to rotate. Nice! But the magic is when you use a glass or crystal item. So here I have a glass Eiffel Tower which kinda looks boring. Now check this out. Wow! Awesome, right? The light in the middle passes through it and creates a magical effect. Definitely a cool one to own. This costs around Rs 650. We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description after the complete lockdown is over. Check it out. So that's it for the School Tech episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. Want to buy any of the products featured in this video? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description after the complete lockdown is over, since still shipping is not started properly in many areas. Price might fluctuate plus or minus time to time. It's not in my control, guys, so please understand. New detection, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech content. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then.